Welcome to AI Tech YouTube channel. This channel provides you information related to the tech courses, such as programming. Programming is the process of giving machines a fixed set of commands to execute a program. It is done by converting source code into machine language. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, AI, is presently one of the hottest buzzwords in tech and with top purpose. The previous few years have visible several improvements and advancements which have previously been solely within the realm of technology fiction slowly transformed into truth. Database system. A DBMS is a software program that lets an introduction, definition and manipulation of database, allowing customers to keep, method and examine records effortlessly. Python is a high-stage, interactive and object-oriented scripting language that makes use of English keywords and has fewer syntactical structures than other languages. It is interactive and object-oriented, making it a great language for beginners. Graphics. Visual representations are essential for branding, clarity, and simplicity of interfaces. Animation is used to make dead photographs come alive and can be used in many areas. 2D animation. 2D animation is a form of animation that uses angle and foreshortening to create a phantasm of depth, but does not use 3D PC images generation. 3D animation. 3D laptop animation is a form of animation created by manipulating a digital model in snapshot software, using keyframing techniques just like traditional 2D animation. After Effects is used for animation, effects, and compositing, such as motion graphics. It is also used for digital compositing, which involves assembling multiple films into a single product. Cloud computing. Cloud computing provides access to computing sources through a remote fax center controlled by a cloud services provider. Gaming refers to gambling digital video games, whether through consoles, computers, cell phones, or some other medium altogether. Seminar is a form of instructional meeting that focuses on specific subjects and encourages active participation. Workshops involve running, thinking, processing, doing, creating, and interacting, and may have extraordinary purposes such as trouble solving, education, and informing.